The top 10 health benefits and uses of mint leaves. Mint leaves, often used as a modest garnish, have a broad spectrum of health benefits, especially when you understand how to use them properly. Incorporating just a handful of these aromatic leaves into your daily diet can offer soothing relief to your digestive system. It can help to manage your blood sugars, ward off common cold symptoms, and so much more. In this video, we're going to take a look at the main health benefits of mint leaves, and I'll also show you how to properly use and prepare them for different applications. Just a quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only, so please speak with your doctor before using any natural remedies presented here. First of all, one of the main uses for mint leaves is soothing the digestive system. Mint leaves have actually been used for over 3,500 years as a natural remedy for bloating, gas, constipation, and digestive problems. In fact, it was cited in the Ebers Papyrus. That's one of the oldest surviving medical texts in the world, from 1550 BC in ancient Egypt. All varieties of mint contain an organic compound called menthol, which soothes and relaxes the muscles in the digestive system, promoting the flow of bile and helping your body to digest and break down your food. To prepare them, simply brew a comforting mint tea by steeping some fresh mint leaves in hot water for 5 to 6 minutes, strain it and enjoy. Benefit number 2 of mint leaves is cleaning the lungs. Peppermint leaves are key ingredients often used to make cough medicine and over-the-counter cold and flu remedies. You see, the menthol and the other terpenes within the leaves provide a cooling sensation in the lungs and the respiratory system, and this works by activating a certain receptor. These compounds open the airways, relax the bronchioles in the lungs, helping you to breathe easier, and they reduce the need to cough. Simply place some fresh leaves or a few drops of peppermint oil into a bowl of hot water and then gently inhale the steam. This will help to clear out your airways so that you can breathe easier. Benefit number 3 of mint is improving mental clarity and reducing stress. Mint also contains something called rosmarinic acid, which helps your body to adapt to stress by boosting a brain chemical called GABA. This promotes mental focus, enhances memory and alertness. Personally, I like to drink peppermint tea in the morning, as it helps to wake me up and improve my thinking and creativity, and I've been using this for years when writing my videos. Studies also show that rosmarinic acid found in mint, lemon balm and other herbs has the ability to reduce the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. So, to prepare this, simply muddle some fresh mint leaves to release and activate the essential oils within them. Then add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of raw honey, which is optional, and some cold water. This will make a very refreshing, mind-clearing drink, which also helps to relieve headaches. Just quickly, I'd be so grateful if you could hit the like button, subscribe, and turn all notifications on so that I can keep you updated with my latest health and nutrition tips. Benefit number 4 of mint is that it supports weight loss. Mint smoothies are also excellent to use when you're trying to lose weight and control your appetite. Simply blend a handful of mint leaves that have been removed from the stalks with some mixed berries, Greek yogurt that's sugar-free, and stevia for sweetness. Blend this all together and then drink it once per day in the morning to support your weight loss. This drink triggers the release of bile from your gallbladder, helping to clear out toxins and burn fat, whilst also acting as an adaptogen, reducing stress and cortisol so that you can lose weight faster. Benefit number 5 is fighting off infections. There are around 30 different species of mint with over 500 varieties in each of these categories. All of these different varieties of mint have healing properties. However, spearmint is one of the best, as this contains more carvone than it does menthol. Consuming spearmint specifically by adding it to your salads is a great way to help fight off infections and diseases within the human body. You see, carvone from spearmint is a natural antifungal, antiparasitic, antiviral, and it can even fight against drug-resistant bacteria such as MRSA, which is a superbug. It works by speeding up the immune cells in your body, such as the neutrophils, the monocytes, etc. Benefit number 6 is oral health. You'll probably notice that most toothpastes and mouthwashes have like a minty flavour, as they use spearmint in particular as part of their formulas. This is because the carvone and the other terpenes in spearmint naturally destroy the biofilm shells around plaque, tartar and bacteria in your mouth, so that you can keep it clean and prevent buildup. Chewing on just a few spearmint leaves is actually a fantastic way to freshen your breath and keep your mouth and your teeth clean. Alternatively, you could just crush them and mix them with your regular toothpaste, and this can help to whiten your teeth. And the next benefit of mint is its ability to soothe aching joints. In a small bowl, add 10 to 20 drops of peppermint oil. Mix this with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, or you can use olive oil as a carrier oil. Now, apply this mixture to your aching joints, sprains, or muscle cramps to alleviate pain and inflammation. The menthol within the oil activates the cooling receptor in your body, called terpene8, which causes a gentle tingling sensation on the skin, which helps to relieve the pain. This remedy has actually been used for generations to ease arthritis pain and sports injuries. I would say, however, just make sure to test it on your skin with a small patch first, just in case your skin is too sensitive or you have an allergy. Now, number 8 is making mint sauce, the British method. Mint sauce is also a British favourite in the UK, and it's often paired with lamb and gravy on a Sunday dinner. To make this, simply blend or chop mint leaves into tiny pieces with a pair of scissors. Place them in a small jug or a cup and add 1 teaspoon of boiling water. This is just to help activate and release the oils from the mint. Fill the remainder of the jug with malt vinegar or sherry vinegar. Add a pinch of sugar or stevia and mix it all together to make fresh mint sauce. This is one of my favourite sauces, which was often made by my late grandmother Bella, which actually inspired the first video that I ever made on this channel called Mint Leaves Benefits and Uses in 2016. It's an absolute honour and a privilege to revisit this topic 7 years later with updated research and a fresh perspective. Coming back to the benefits now, the 9th benefit of mint is enhanced skin health. You may also prepare a natural mint toner for your skin by placing a handful of mint leaves in hot water. Allow the mixture to cool, strain it, and then you can store it in a spray bottle. You may use this as a refreshing spray mist throughout the day, or apply it to your skin using a cotton pad after cleansing your face. The salicylic acid found within the mint leaves can help to clear up acne, pimples, and reduce the size of your pores. And mint also has a positive effect on mood and overall well-being. To improve your mood, take a bowl of hot water and add a few drops of peppermint oil with a few fresh mint leaves as well. The aroma from the mint will slowly diffuse throughout the room, releasing essential oils into the air. Another approach is to simply use an oil burner. Terpenes from mint help to naturally soothe anxiety, ease nervousness, and promote relaxation in the facial muscles when you breathe them in. Alternatively, you could tie a bunch of fresh mint stalks and leave them in your shower. The steam will release the minty aroma into your home, turning your daily routine into a therapeutic spa-like experience. Other uses. You may also use mint teas, oils, and infusions to improve sleep quality. Consuming mint can also help to ease convulsions and menstrual cramps. And you may also get the pennyroyal variety of mint and plant this in your garden to deter pests and unwanted critters. Now that you've learned all about mint, perhaps you'd be interested in learning about some other healthy spices. Tap this video on the screen now for more info on black pepper and turmeric. This video is dedicated to my late grandmother Bella. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.